For the longest time now, every single time I go into Lowe's, it seems like their power tool selection is changing. And it seems to me like Kobalt is becoming their flagship brand. So, in this video, I'm gonna be answering the question, what is the deal with Kobalt power tools? This video is sponsored by Lowe's. They sent me a little bit of money to spend on their Kobalt products, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I've been really interested in Kobalt for a long time now, and being able to officially work with Lowe's is a great privilege for me, especially as a guy who's just tinkering in his backyard. Today we're going to be checking out 3 tools. One that is battery powered, this compact router. One that is air powered, and this 6-gallon Pancake air compressor that comes with 3 individual tools. And lastly, one that is muscle powered. You know, just a hammer. Normally I do a lot of talking and explaining, but I need to use this air compressor right now, so I'm busting it out of the box. Oh, that feels nice. This is that 16 gauge straight finished nailer. This is the 18 gauge brad nailer. And the one I am most excited about, this is a 23 gauge pin nailer. Well, that worked out perfect. When you work with tools as long as I have, and most of you have probably worked with them longer, you can always tell a good product by visually seeing it and then just touching it with your fingertips. It's got nice hard plastic, obviously a steel shell, and even something as simple as like the branding on the front and top are indicators if it's a well-made product. And this guy checks all those visual inspection boxes. At 28 pounds, its compact Pancake design ensures easy portability without compromising on performance. It's equipped with a 1 horsepower oil-free motor reaching a maximum pressure of 150 psi. Its dual quick couplers allow you to operate 2 tools simultaneously, while its dual gauges provide precise readings for both your tank and the tool pressure. I will say one thing that I don't like about the compressor is this highly efficient and effective valve. It looks really nice. It is really nice. But I'm for sure gonna break that. I'm used to something a little bit smaller, and I just have a bad feeling that I'm gonna break this guy off because I am a klutz. When it comes to the guns, this set is actually really useful. With the 16 gauge nail gun, you can do most woodworking projects because 16 gauge is a pretty hefty nail and it has a lot of holding power. The reason the 18 gauge is so useful is that the nail's a little bit smaller, so you can do more delicate things like making drawer boxes or the baseboards and door frames in your house. And with this 23 gauge pin nailer, it shoots these headless pins that are virtually invisible to the human eye. So if you need to trim out cabinets or add little decorative moldings in your woodworking, you can do that with this guy and you won't have any nail holes to fill. This pin nailer has a little adjustment gauge on the side so it can accept several different sizes of pins. That's awesome. I've seen other compressors bundled with guns before, but this is probably the best all-around set you can get. And right now it's on sale at Lowe's for $1.99, so if you're watching this, you better go get it before it's too late. Alright, let's talk about the manpower portion of this video, aka the elbow grease assassin, aka arm and hammer. This is the Kobalt 22-ounce steel head and steel handle claw hammer. It is forged 1-piece steel construction for strength and durability. It's got a biomaterial resistant handle for a secure grip and comfort. And it's got a magnetic nail starter for one-handed nail setting. And it's also got a notched nail puller, which is perfect for getting leverage on those stubborn nails. This hammer has a rim temper that reduces the incidences of chipping. Like I said, it's 22 ounces and the handle length is 14 inches. It has got all the right specs to be a DIY homemaker hammer or a job site hammer. And this guy happens to be a perfect companion and upgrade to my wooden Kobalt 16-ounce hammer. And you can get this hammer for 28 bucks, which is a pretty good deal for how well made it is. So it was a no-brainer grabbing this guy when I was at Lowe's. I have been in the market for a battery-powered compact router for a long time. I have a corded trim router, and I'm gonna be completely honest, that's like the one tool on the planet that absolutely needs to be cordless. So I'm really happy to get this Kobalt and cut the cord. It comes with that clear, transparent base that's actually a little bit bigger than the base of the router, which is very helpful when it comes to stability. And then it comes to the dust port that is removable. Some people don't like those, but if you do wanna clean up your shop, you can plug your vacuum into that. Like every other router, it comes with the edge guide. I find myself using this a lot when it comes to hardware and joinery on the backs of things, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping that. Equipped with a high efficiency brushless motor, this router delivers up to 30,000 RPMs. The 6-mode speed control dial allows you to match the speed to your specific application. Its depth adjustment knob is extremely smooth, so it allows for fine tuning and control over your work. One of the really cool things about this router, it's got 2 LEDs right on the body of the router, which helps you to light up your workpiece and maintain a visual with whatever it is you're cutting. Although the 24-volt Kobalt batteries are a little bit larger, the router is actually pretty ergonomic. This guy is available at Lowe's right now for $119 as a bare tool, and it's definitely worth that price tag. Like I said earlier, this router did not come with a battery, so I bought the 2-pack for $129. That came with 2 24-volt batteries and the charger. But if you want to buy a single battery, you can get that for 59 bucks. Some folks don't choose a line of tools because of availability, but when it comes to Kobalt, you don't have to worry about that. They've got every tool that you could possibly imagine, and also every yard tool you could possibly imagine. Once again, huge shout out to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. What are your thoughts on Kobalt? Is this a brand that you already use or plan to use in the future? As far as I can tell, they are really quality made, and the tools that I got were really great deals. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.